The Odlum family announces the death of Robert Orman Odlum Jr., also known as Robbie or Capone of Goodlands. He passed away on Saturday, 18 January 2020 at the Victoria Hospital. Left to celebrate his life, his wife, Justine Odlum, his 15 children, 21 grandchildren, 6 great-grandchildren, his companion, Lucina Jacobs, his brothers, Lindsay Odlum and family, Raoul Odlum and family, his sisters, Miriam Campbell and family, Estella Andrew and family, Dorothy Odlum and family, Sheila Sherbin and family, Albertha Rambali and family, Cynthia Bernard and family, Debra Peter and family, family of deceased George Odlum, family of deceased John Odlum, family of deceased Musette Kanai, family of deceased Joyce Regis, other family members, the George, Hinkson, Bailey, Fontenard, Innocent and Edmund families of St. Lucia and abroad. Close friends, Errol Walker and family, Claude Griffith and family, Cuthbert Regis and family, Tyrone Maynard and family, Ronald Pilgrim and family, Mr. Raggy and family, Raymond Alexander and family, Dennis Dabrio and family, his neighbors of Goodlands, the doctors and nurses of Ward 9. The funeral for the late Robert Orman Odlum Jr., also known as Robbie or Capone, will be held at the Minor Basilica of the Immaculate Conception on Wednesday, 5th February 2020 at 2:30 p.m. The body will be interred at the Shock Cemetery. Robert's body lies at Ram Valley Funeral Parlor. May he rest peacefully.